late. Sorry, I got a little late. So today we'll complete up the metallurgy part, and if needed, if possible, I'll try to also touch point the amines, and we'll see how we can cover up. No, Dave, we have not completed P block. We have 15, 16, 17, 18 to cover. Carboxylic acid is over. Yes, carboxylic acid is done. We are supposed to finish amines, biomolecules, polymers, inorganic. ठीक है तब? Reduction reactions in carboxylic acids, you meant, or no? All of that reduction parts we have covered in aldehydes and ketones only. Made with lithium aluminum hydride, sodium boron hydride, all of that. Is it? Oh, let me check. 1 second. I'll show you. Tell me if I haven't covered it. On the oxidation, I have covered them. Yeah, 1 second. Reduction, I have not covered. 1 second. Strange, because I was supposed to cover that. 1 second. Oh, in part 1 it was there. Sorry. I was searching in part 2. Yeah, this is the list of reducing agents. I thought we have covered this, or no? Please confirm, everybody. Have I not covered all the reducing agents? All of this 23? Okay, fine. So let me finish this up, because while solving questions, you will be coming across this a lot of times. So I think it will be better if I cover it here itself. Okay. So this is a small part, everybody. It will be useful for both aldehydes and ketones as well as carboxylic acid. And Chaitanya, I'll be sending you the list beta, because I'm shortlisting out of that. There are actually 95 of them. So I'm removing all of that which are not needed, and I'll put everything in one place and send it today. The entire list of reagents. Anyways, look at this. Well, these are the main 23 reagents which will be used as a reducing agents, correct? Starting with this H2 by palladium. So look at this. H2 by palladium, H2 by nickel, H2 by platinum. All of them would have similar things to do. Okay, they will try to give a similar idea. Now let's look at it. If you take an acid chloride and we reduce it, then we will get an aldehyde, and that aldehyde will further reduce to alcohol. From alcohol, there is no further reduction if you take H2 by nickel, palladium, platinum. So I can say that the same idea you will get even if you have H2 by nickel or H2 by platinum. Clear, students? Next. Every form of nitro can be converted into amines. So that is what you'll see. Whether it is alkane, alkene, or both of them will be converted into alkanes. So here I'll write it same for alkene. Next, aldehydes converts to alcohols, ketones converts to alcohols, double bonds converts to alkanes, cyanides will convert to again amines. So it will get reduced on both carbon also, nitrogen also. And same goes with isocyanates. It will convert to nitrogen. This nitrogen and carbon will get converted and you will get this. Benzene can be converted into cyclohexane, but only at a very high pressure and temperature. So it is an extreme case. Okay. Typically, what we use here is H2 by PTO2, which is called as Adams catalyst. Adams catalyst. In case if you want to reduce the benzene form, you usually use Adams catalyst. Next, any of this form, right? Ester, amide, acid, or anhydride, they are non-reactive with H2 by nickel, platinum, or palladium. Here, so these would be unreactive. So this list, rather than the reduction list, this list is important, students. That is, anhydrides, esters, amides, and acids won't get reacted with H2 by palladium, or they do not undergo reduction. Clear? Next, if the same H2 by palladium, if we add it with barium sulfate powder on it, we call it as Lindlar's catalyst. Here, the idea is it will not convert the triple bonds into, double bonds into alkane forms or aldehydes into further reduction. So that's what you will see. First, acid chlorides can be converted into aldehydes. Okay. Triple bonds can be converted into cis type of alkenes. I'm sure you all recall this. So you have acid chloride here and triple bond here. Both will get reduction to aldehydes and double bonds. Here there is a triple bond, double bond. So double bond won't get reacted, but triple bond will convert into double bond. That is the whole point of using Lindlar's catalyst. A very selective reduction is taking place. Well, dinickel boron or borate, this is called dinickel boride, is also called as P2 catalyst. So P2 catalyst functions exactly like H2 by palladium barium sulfate. So it would have the same characteristic. So it won't get, it will do the same reduction as what we have seen earlier. Next, sodium in liquid ammonia. Okay, sodium in liquid ammonia is also termed as Burge reduction. Burge reduction. The same logic applies even if you have lithium with liquid ammonia. Okay, so whether it is sodium with liquid ammonia or lithium with liquid ammonia, both of them does the same work. Now what will they do? Triple bond converted into double bond. Earlier it was cis alkene, here it will be trans alkane. That's the only difference. So that is Burge reduction. If it is benzene, you will see you will have isolated double bonds present here. That's how it will get reduced. If it is a withdrawing group on benzene, then isolated double bond far away from it. If there is donating groups on benzene, double bonds across it. This is the idea about Burge reduction. So sodium in liquid ammonia, these are the reactions mainly expected. Another important thing what you need to expect is this. If you take terminal alkyne, okay, if you take terminal alkyne, no Burge reduction will take place. Okay, because here it will react directly like an acid base reaction and makes it as acetylide group. That's it. Have you all understood what are the objectives of Burge reduction, everybody? right? Next, zinc in HCl. Zinc in HCl, main reaction
So,
is about alkyl halides. If you have 2-degree or 3-degree alkyl halides, it will convert into respective alkanes. This is what we have seen as Lucas reagent. So in Lucas reagent, this is what we'll observe. Correct?
so
Next.
hello, sir.
Basically, it's not Lucas reagent, but this is the similar reaction which you'll observe. If you have nitroalkane, this nitro part, NO2 part will get reduced to NH2. And the same logic is applied even for tin chloride in HCl, FeCl3 in HCl, or Fe in HCl. Any of that, all of them, the objective here is they release nascent hydrogens. These are nascent hydrogens, and nascent hydrogens acts as reducing agent and reduces that NO2 to NH2. Tin in HCl, same logic here also, NO2 will convert into NH2 and cyanides will convert into respective alkanes, correct, which is known as Mendes reaction. And RC triple bond N, SnCl2 HCN, first, in case if you use SnCl2 instead of SnCl2, if you use SnCl2 in the presence of HCl, first you'll get an imine, and on hydrolysis, this bond will break and gives aldehyde, and reaction will stop here. And this is what we call it as Stephens reduction. Okay, so Stephens reduction is done by SnCl2 in the presence of HCl. Okay, there was a question earlier, it was asked,
Hello,
like what
sir.
happens to the final product?
I
The
cannot
final
hear
product
you. अभी
of
बोला था तुम.
ammonium will be this NH4 twice SnCl6. This is the complex which is forming beta. This is the complex which forms. So ये question आया था JEE में कि like what is the tin, I mean what is the final complex formation of the tin? So ammonium hexachloro stannate. This is the product. This is Stephens reduction. Okay. Next, zinc added with mercury, which we call it as amalgamated in HCl. Then this is called Clemmensen's reduction. The important idea about Clemmensen's reduction is it does not disturb any carboxylic derivatives, correct? Except cyanides. Except cyanides. 1 minute. Microphone. It's working. Yeah, can you speak now?
Hello, sir. Can you hear us?
Yeah, now I can hear you. Yes.
अच्छा सर स्टीफेंस रिएक्शन एक बार वापस समझा सकते हो क्या? नहीं समझा सही से.
Yeah, sorry. Listen. See, beta, if you take any cyanide, right, and react that with SnCl2 and HCl. See, the role of SnCl2, HCl is SnCl2. As you add in HCl, it will undergo further oxidation to give SnCl4 plus 2 nascent hydrogens. Is this clear, beta? And these nascent hydrogens, one nascent hydrogen gets added here, one nascent hydrogen gets added here. So what we get is imine. Imine के बाद reaction रुक जाता है बेटा, correct? Because you are not supplying sufficient amount of nascent hydrogens for further reduction. Chaitanya, with me?
Yes,
Hence,
sir.
the minute you get imines, instantly add water to it. So, जैसे imines are highly unstable in water, they will immediately break here. They will break in this format. As it breaks here, you will get HO will come here, H will come here. ठीक है? ऐसे 2 बार करने का आपको, 2 moles. So what do we get? This carbon will have 2 moles of OH and OH, and that will convert into an aldehyde. This nitrogen will convert into NH3. And since it is in acidic medium, it will convert into NH4 plus. Okay? And now you can see tin will further react with 2 more moles of HCl because यहाँ पर ये HCl use हो जाता है. So we will have chlorides available. So we will see it is appearing like a complex SnCl4, which was made here. That imagine it is clubbing up with two more chlorides, so it will become SnCl6 overall 2 minus, and the 2 minus is balanced by these ammonium ions. And this can be isolated, Chaitanya. That's why it is being asked like, what is the final complex? Clear, beta?
Maybe sir, yes sir.
Yeah. Clemenson's reduction, it does not reduce any carboxylic derivatives, okay, except cyanides. So you see aldehydes will convert into alkanes, ketones will convert into alkanes, right? If you have aldehyde group on benzene also, it will convert into alkanes, right? But in case if there is cyanides, it will reduce that cyanides into amines, okay? And same is the case with nitro. If there is nitro, it will convert into amine, I mean NH2 form. Other than that, कोई भी और form है ना, like acid chlorides, acid anhydrides, acid I mean esters, okay, amides, none of these will undergo reduction except cyanides and NO2 group. Clear, everybody? I hope you understood reduction of Clemenson's.
Yes, sir.
Next, Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction does not reduce acids or its derivatives as well. And here you can see RCHO will convert into alkane, aldehyde will convert into alkane here, right? I mean toluene form, okay? If you see this here, this is a keto form converted into alkane form. But अगर कोई ऐसा कोई salt है, ammonium salt है, because it is a basic medium, it will undergo Hoffman elimination. So यहाँ से proton निकाल देगा, double bond form करेगा. So Hoffman elimination is favored via E2 mechanism. Okay. So you can see this is keto form, this is keto form. Diketones will convert into alkanes as well. So this is the idea behind Wolff-Kishner reduction. Next, if you have amalgamated magnesium, see amalgamated magnesium is an electron donor, okay, a very controlled electron donor. So therefore, it will release electrons in a controlled way. So कैसे होगा पता है? इलेक्ट्रॉन देते ही यहाँ पर ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स O माइनस हो जाएंगे, ये कार्बन पे डॉट आ जाएगा, मतलब रेडिकल बन जाएंगे, और वी कॉल इट एज रेडिकल anions. So 2 moles of these radical anions will terminate itself like this as O minus, यहाँ से डॉट और यहाँ से O minus, ये दोनों आपस में टर्मिनेट हो जाएंगे ऐसे. एंड आफ्टर टर्मिनेशन ऑन हाइड्रोलिसिस it would give us OH and OH. So that's how we will get on hydrolysis, we will get this as diols, okay, vicinal diols, which we usually call it as pinacoles, right? So this is a method for preparation of pinacoles. Same is the case here also. This is also a pinacole form, okay? That is the important reaction with mercury in amalgamated form. Next, magnesium and ether with hydrolysis. Any RX you have, it will first form RMGX. और आपको पता है ना, RMGX तो कोई भी प्रोटॉनिक एस सॉल्वेंट्स होते हैं उसके साथ रिएक्ट करके सीधा सीधा एल्केन बना देगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट, sodium in ethanol, that is called Bowolt-Blank reduction. Bowolt-Blank reduction. So Bowolt-Blank reduction, what it does, every aldehyde or a ketone उसको पहले अल्कोहल में कन्वर्ट कर देगा. Okay, if it is aromatic aldehyde or ketones, it will dimerize it. मतलब बेंजाल्डिहाइड हो, ऐसे केसेस को जैसे बेंजाल्डिहाइड है, उसको यहाँ पे पिनाकोल जैसा बना देगा, बिकॉज हियर इट विल गो वाया रेडिकल मैकेनिज्म. ऊपर जैसे हमने मैकेनिज्म किया था बिल्कुल वैसे. So it is radical mechanism. Otherwise, in aliphatic chains, or it is, if it is aryl groups here, alkyl groups here, then it will simply convert into alcohols. Okay. If you take esters, esters will also be converted into alcohols. Acid chlorides will be reacted to form alcohols. Cyanides will be reduced to become RCH2, NH2. Amides and acids are unreactive in this case. Okay, amides and acids does not react directly. So this is the idea behind Bowolt-Blank's reduction. Clear, everybody? Right. Next, lithium aluminum hydride. See about lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride तो केस हमने पहले भी पढ़ा हुआ है. I'll just brush it up fast. Acid chlorides react to get aldehydes. Aldehydes will convert into alcohols. Acids भी react होते हैं. Acids first will become carboxylate, which will convert into aldehyde, then alcohol. Esters will convert into aldehyde and alcohol, and aldehyde will further reduce it to become alcohol. And we have CONHR here, which is amide. Amide will become amines, and nitriles will become amines again. Nitro group will become amines. Acid alkyl halides will become alkane, but this is restricted for methyl 1 degree and 2 degree. Esters, cyclic esters again will become alcohols. Imines will become amines, right? This is oximes. Oximes will also become amines. Epoxy groups, usually epoxy groups are unreactive. Only lithium aluminum hydride, RMGX, ये सब reaction कर पाता है. So that will give you alcohols. Now see NaBH4. NaBH4 has the similar thing. ये table मैंने पहले दिया आपको. NaBH4, if you react with acid chloride or aldehyde, both will convert into alcohols. Ketones will convert into secondary alcohols. Ester, no reaction. Acid, just acid base reaction. Amide, no reaction. Okay. Anhydride, sorry, here it is no reaction. Anhydride, no reaction. Got it. And cyanides, no reaction. Correct. NaBH4 does not react with any of that. Imines, it will react to become amines. Epoxides, no reaction. If you take alkyl halides, no reaction with a primary group. But if it is tertiary, it will convert into 3 degree. It will convert into alkane. So only it has to be 3 degree alkanes, then it will convert into alkanes. Next, if you have, alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes or ketones, then it will convert into alcohols. And both sides, there is an addition happening. This is called 1,2,1,4 addition as well as 1,2 addition. दोनों ही addition हो जाएंगे and you will get this as alcohol. Only in the presence of cerium trichloride, if you see, it will it will only reduce at 1,2 position. So here, let me put that here. It is simply 1,2 addition. While here it is both 1,2 and 1,4 addition happening in this case. Correct. So that is what you will see with NaBH4. LiBH4. LiBH4 goes exactly like NaBH4 only. But sorry, not NaBH4, it's exactly like lithium aluminum hydride only. Like acid chloride, aldehydes, ketones, esters, except acids. देखो, ये except acids, it will react with almost everything. And if you take amides, right, it will react into amines. Anhydride will also convert into alcohols. Cyanides will convert into amines, right? Imines will anyway be reactive. Epoxides will react to give alcohols. ये देखो सब कुछ lithium aluminum hydride जैसा हो रहा है, except in these three cases, acids में, nitro groups में और alkyl halides में. ये तीनों केस में जो lithium aluminum hydride रिडक्शन कर रहा था वो lithium boron hydride नहीं कर पाएगा. Apart of that, everything follows similar to that of lithium aluminum hydride. Next is BH3, boron.
Sir.
Yes, beta.
सर वो हैलाइड्स में अल्केन बनाएगा ना?
हैलाइड्स में
अल्केन बनाएगा ना सर, लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड?
यस, एल्केन बनाएगा. एल्केन, लिथियम एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्राइड इधर
हाँ,
एल्केन बनाएगा. नेक्स्ट BH3, चेक आउट BH3. BH3 एसिड क्लोराइड के साथ रिएक्शन नहीं है. ये हमारे लिए काफी इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन है, क्योंकि एसिड क्लोराइड्स यूजुअली रिएक्टिव होते हैं एक्सेप्ट इन द केस ऑफ BH3, राइट? एल्डिहाइड्स कीटोन्स तो हो ही रहे, एस्टर्स नहीं होंगे इसमें. करेक्ट. एसिड्स के लिए ये बेस्ट माना जाता है, एसिड्स और अमाइड्स के लिए. एसिड्स और अमाइड्स के लिए BH3 का रिडक्शन बेस्ट होता है. So that will convert into alcohols here and amines here. Okay, just like esters के साथ react नहीं होता है, anhydride के साथ भी react नहीं होता है. Cyanide के साथ as usual हो जाता है, amines बन जाते हैं. If it is a double bond, it will become HBO reaction. राइट? यू नो दैट ट्राई अल्काइल बोरॉन फॉर्म करता है, फर्दर रिडक्शन कर दो तो वो आप अल्कोहल में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. If you have epoxy groups, it will convert into alcohols. If you have 1 degree alkyl halides, no reaction. If you, in fact, any alkyl halides, no reaction. Triple bonds will also give you HBO reaction. So I'll just write down this as HBO reaction. Here also it is HBO reaction. Okay. So these two will form HBO reaction. So BH3 काफी important reagent है, because BH3 को हमेशा इस एंगल से देखो कि that it is going to give this two as the best reactions as compared to all other reagents. Don't worry about the mechanism. At this stage, you should be able to understand which are best, possible reagents. Don't worry about the mechanism part, that I already mentioned it. It's not usually asked in exam why this is best or something like that. Okay. Now, Dibal H. Dibal H, it has to be very specifically mentioned as -78 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड. ठीक है. देखो बेटा, इस बार के जेई एडवांस का क्वेश्चन में काफी कंट्रोवर्सी हुआ था. जेई एडवांस के क्वेश्चन में डाइबाल एच का क्वेश्चन आया है, बट उसमें टेम्परेचर मेंशन नहीं है. ओके. यूजुअली टेम्परेचर मेंशन नहीं होता है ना, तो ये आल्डिहाइड फर्दर रिड्यूस होकर अल्कोहल बन जाता है. बट फाइनल की में भी उन्होंने आल्डिहाइड में ही आंसर दिया है. ठीक है. तो अब ये समझ के चलो, टेम्परेचर मेंशन करें या ना करें, the paper sitter is always expecting you to think in terms of Dibol's main advantage. The Dibal H, the main important advantage is that it will stop at aldehydes. ठीक है. So ये दिमाग में रख के चलना. और इस पे भी in 2017 there was a controversy that if -78 is given, right, should we take this reaction happening, और further अगर ये टेम्परेचर नहीं दिया तो ये तो फर्दर रिएक्शन होगा ही ना. So this was again a controversy there. There also they have stopped only at acid base reaction. Reaction नहीं किया है acid के साथ. So I think this is giving us a clear idea in IIT के paper sitters जो भी है, they are coming with the intention कि Dibal H का best advantage क्या है, that it is a controlled reduction. So show us that product. So that is what they are expecting from you also. So think about it. Acid chloride होगा तो भी aldehyde, साइनाइड होगा तो भी आल्डिहाइड, एस्टर्स होगा तो भी आल्डिहाइड, एसिड होगा तो सिर्फ एसिड बेस रिएक्शन, फर्दर रिएक्शन नहीं होगा. बस दिस इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ डाइबाल एच.
सर तो टेम्परेचर नहीं मेंशन्ड है तो भी यही मार्क करेगा.
यही मार्क करना प्लीज, यही मार्क करना, क्योंकि इस साल वही कंट्रोवर्सी था. ओके. इस बार टेम्परेचर मेंशन नहीं है. काफी बच्चों ने उसमें अल्कोहल भी ऑप्शन था. ठीक है. बट फाइनल की में उन्होंने चेंज नहीं किया बेटा.
ओके ओके सर.
सर वो साइनाइड से एल्डिहाइड कैसे बनाता है?
क्या बेटा?
साइनाइड यूजुअली साइनाइड से कुछ एल्डिहाइड
एक्चुअली
नहीं
ऐसे बनता है बेटा, ये RCH डबल बॉन्ड NH बन जाके रुक जाता है यहाँ पर. ठीक है. और ये डाइबाल H हमेशा हाइड्रोलिसिस से फॉलो होता है. वो मेंशन नहीं होता है बट फॉलोड है हमेशा. ठीक है. सो इट विल एंड अप एट एल्डिहाइड्स. ठीक है. Well, these are the reducing agents beta. So this is the list of that reducing agent. Correct. So whatever we have discussed, ये डाइबाल H, करेक्ट, ये वाला डाइबाल H और ये वाला दिखने में डिफरेंट है बट रोल बिल्कुल सेम है. MPV रिडक्शन हमने ऑलरेडी आल्डिहाइड अल्कोहल्स में किया हुआ है. करेक्ट. ये वाला तो आपका एसिड कीटाल फॉर्मेशन, एसिटाल फॉर्मेशन है. ये वाला अभी हम लोग अमाइंस में पढ़ने वाले हैं, ये लास्ट वाला जो reagent है. बस these are the only reagents there for your syllabus, so please go through them once. ठीक है. हाँ, इसका आई थिंक मुझे एक्चुअली चैतन्य ने पूछा भी था, मैंने ये पूरा लिस्ट एक बनाया है, that I will send you. I'll just give you a preview like how I have made it. Reduction आ गया वही. reagents, तो reagents करके बनाया था. या देखो, ये टेबल बनाया मैंने. ये बहुत इजी है आपको समझने के लिए. देखो, इस तरह से मैंने सबका टेबल बना रहा हूं अभी मैं. एक बार ये टेबल का प्रिंट आउट रख लेना बस. बहुत इजी है ये, यही है आपके टोटल लिस्ट ऑफ रिएजेंट्स, मेन रिएजेंट्स यही है रिड्यूसिंग वाले, और ये सारे रिएक्टेंट्स है, करेक्ट। एल्केन्स, alkynes, alkyl halides, aldehydes, ketones, nitro acids, esters और anhydrides, acid chlorides, amides, cyanides, epoxides and imines. That's it. इनके साथ क्या रिएक्शन अगर हो रहा है तो मैंने मैच किया, नहीं हो रहा है तो क्रॉस कर दिया उसको, ठीक है। क्लियर बेटा, ये बहुत इजी है रटने के लिए भी, मतलब मैंने इसी तरीके से रटा, बहुत इजी लग रहा है मुझे, तो आप इसको ट्राई कीजिए, ये बहुत इजी है। तो सेम थिंग आई डू इट फॉर ऑक्सीडेशन आल्सो, ओके।
सर तो जैसे बीच में बहुत सारे केसेस में मतलब टेम्परेचर है तो फिर कुछ और प्रोडक्ट है, और नहीं है तो कुछ और प्रोडक्ट है, तो इसमें
तो सिर्फ
वो
डाइबाल के
included
साथ में ना, बाकी किसी के साथ नहीं है।
है।
देखो टेम्परेचर का मेंशनिंग सिर्फ डाइबाल के साथ है, बाकी किसी के साथ टेम्परेचर आपको मेंशन किया भी नहीं रहेगा, राइट। यू जस्ट हैव टू टेक इट द केस द वे द जनरल प्रोडक्ट्स विल कम, यही प्रोडक्ट्स आते हैं, ठीक है।
सर ये वो लास्ट
Yes.
पीडीएफ का सब कुछ मतलब यही है क्या सर?
हाँ, अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा है उन सबका यही है समरी। इसमें एक दो
Okay.
दो चार मिसिंग है क्योंकि वो इसमें रिलेट नहीं करते, ठीक है। वो मैंने अलग से लिखा है सारे एक ही जगह पे, वो मैं आपको भेज दूंगा।
यस
बट ये जो
सर,
लिस्ट मैंने,
ये आप भेज देंगे ना?
हाँ ये मैं भेज दूंगा। ऑक्सीडेशन का भी खत्म कर रहा हूँ इसी में, रिडक्शन का ऑक्सीडेशन का एक साथ में भेज दूंगा अभी आपको।
यस
सो प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते समय ये साथ में रखना, आई थिंक दैट विल बी मोर देन सफिशिएंट, मतलब MS चौन तो आराम से सॉल्व हो ही जाएगा इससे, ओके। ठीक है गाइस। Arnav, now you can check those questions beta once, right? So you should be able to feel comfortable
हाँ,
now, right? One second.